What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here are the Sony wireless WH-CH400. Yes, unboxing and first look. I'm a big fan of Sony wireless headphone. I have been using this one for like more than an year, but this one is like thick. This one will become very uncomfortable over the longer use, but I need something more portable and more comfortable, so I bought this one. Now jump to the unboxing table and then now let me do the unboxing and the first look of it. Jump to the table. Finally here it is. I'm a big fan of Sony wireless Bluetooth headphone. Literally I use the Sony MDR950BT which costs you around 200 bucks. I bought it for 100 bucks refurbished. So this one costs you around 50 bucks on Amazon. You can buy this one from my link below. Now let me open the box. Let me show you from the back. Okay, this is from the back. As you can see, this seems quite good, to be honest with you. It seems really quite good. I'm honest here. It seems quite comfortable. It has a 20-hour battery life. Awesome. Micro USB chargeable, built-in microphone also. 20 hour. 20 hour. Let me open it. Okay. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, let me take out. Okay, there's nothing inside the box. Okay, here is the headphone, and then now let me show you. Let me put everything aside and show you. This is quite comfortable looking, to be honest with you. Okay, here's one thing. I was thinking this one is going to be like thick cushion, but this is not cushion. The cushion only is like very thin. This is the part of the plastic headphone. You see, this is entire plastic. I was thinking this is going to be a big cushion, like similar to Sony MDR950BT, but this is like plastic. The cushion is, you see, the cushion end here. Can you see? Can you see the cushion end here? The cushion end here. But overall, as you can see, it's a quite good looking one, to be honest with you. Now let me, okay, it can come like this. Wow. Now let me put on my ear and then now jump back to me. So here is the Sony headphone which I already connected with my phone. Let me put in on my ear like this. Okay, you cannot put like this. You cannot just put the right on the left. The shape is like this. Even I try to put, it will not be close. You need to put the right way like this. The good thing is that 20 hour. Okay, the first thing is that it's light. Will it move? Okay, let me take out the cap. A lot of people complain that it can move easily. Let me see. Okay, like this. Will it move or not? Let's see. Will it move or not? Will it move or not? And let me play this song called Havana Unnana. It's very lightweight. Let me put in my, okay, I wish it can become flat, but it's still a little bit hurting, a little bit neck hurting, let me be honest with you. But better than this one. This one is horrible. I could not even put on my neck. Sony MDR950, to be honest with you. Havana Unnana. Havana Unnana. Unnana. The bass is not deep. The bass is not deep. Literally, the bass is good. The bass is good. The bass is good. Not deep as this one. I hate this bass. So much deep. It give me pain in my ear. Havana Unnana. Havana. Okay, I like it. Literally, I like it. I like it. This is a must buy. I like it. Geek recommendation, thumbs up. It's a must buy. Bye.
Allah faham beli